How to create this double exposure inside Davinci Resolve. I'm inside Davinci in the Edit tab and I'm having two video files onto my timeline. This is the first one, which is our main footage, and this is our second, which is a particle that you can get from Pexels. Simply you can go to pexels.com and type particles and you can explore it and get what you need. After we take this out of the way, let's continue. I'm in Davinci Resolve, I'm leaving this particle over my main footage. This is what it looks like. You can then highlight it and go in the inspector on the top right side. Next to compositive mode, you can select the drop down menu and select the option that you want. You can select either add, darken color or burned color. This is all depending on your footage colors. In my case, darken is fitting just fine, so I'm selecting darken and I'm reducing the opacity, and this is what it looks like, a nice and double exposure. Also, you can leave it at 100% opacity. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Here it is. In some cases people are gonna prefer this one, but I hope you got the idea. I hope it was helpful. You can also watch this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.